So I built an app that translates bird songs into English.
Who would use that?
Bird owners? Zoos? The government? CIA probably? Ha! I'm asking for $2 million for 10% of the company. That's only a
Your Honor, I have been unlawfully evicted.
Can you explain?
I lived in that window perch for 9 years. 9 years of faithful service. And then they simply replaced me.
The new tenant wanted a clear view? A clear view? A clear view of what? Of the boring backyard? Of the uninspired garden?
Your Honor, this parrot broke into a commercial kitchen and consumed 73 crackers.
I prefer to call it liberating.
Do you have anything to say in your defense?
Your Honor, those crackers was...
You see that guy? The one in the blue suit? Mm-hmm. He had one job, and he failed.
No.
3 years they dated, 3 years, and then he said something stupid, something very stupid. I heard it was about a mirror. A mirror, people. Couldn't handle that.
So you're telling me you've been here for 2 hours and taken 200 photos for 0 posts? That's very dedicated, very wasteful. And the poses are the same.
Sir, I am filing a restraining order.
Against?
My reflection.
Your
It
reflection?
follows me everywhere. I turn left, it turns left. I turn right, it turns right. It copies.
Your Honor, this dog promised to love me forever. Can you elaborate?
We met at the park 3 months ago. He said I was the most beautiful bird he'd ever seen.
I'm sorry.
And then
Then he started chasing...
Hello? Yeah, I got your call. Listen, I know you're trying to sell me something, but let's be honest here.
Ma'am?
Sir,
No, let me finish.
You're sitting in a cubicle, you've been there for 6 hours, your chair's uncomfortable, and your manager's a jerk.
How do you...
So this is the deal of the century? The best offer I'll ever see? The limited time only?
Absolutely.
I've heard that speech 17 times today. 17. You're the 18th car lot, all with the same...
Look at you. Look at what you become. 6 years old and you still can't whistle happy birthday correctly every year, every single year. Your birthday is an embarrassment. And the feather situation. Some days you're stunning. Other days you're what happened when a tornado met a thrill.
This person is marrying people. This person who can't even read without looking down every 3 seconds. And the speech, disaster. Wrong names, wrong story, wrong everything. But sure, they're ordained online, $40.
This person is marrying people? This person who can't even read without looking down every 3 seconds? Sarah and Steven, sure, they're ordained on...
Excuse me, officers. You have been partners for 5 years. You share a patrol car, you eat together, you protect each other, so why won't you admit you love each other?
Oh, come on!
I'm just...
Officer,
Huh?
justice is not about catching bad guys.
Oh, yeah?
It's about who gets the last donut in the break room.
Ooh, that's good.
Your Honor, this family has excluded me from their annual portrait for 5 years!
The parrot is a pet, not a family
A
member.
pet? A pet! I have lived in this house for 12 years, I've watched your children...
Your Honor, this man promised me a spot on his show.
We had scheduling conflicts!
Scheduling conflicts? I cleared my entire afternoon. I canceled my nap. I turned down a nature doc.
Your Honor, my landlord removed my mirror.
your mirror?
A full-length mirror. I used it every morning to admire myself, to ensure my feathers were properly preened. Your Honor. The mirror was in the hallway. It was a fire hazard.
A fire hazard?
My beauty.
Nice outfit. Very, trying hard. Very. I spent 4 hours on this and it shows. Excuse me? And the smile, the fake smile. I've seen more genuine expressions at a car dealership.
This
and
is
it's also
a
a
wedding.
fashion crime. Very crime, very crime.
Now here's what people don't understand about this play. The quarterback, he's nervous. You can see it in his eyes. The eyes don't lie. My grandmother used to say, a nervous quarterback is a throwing arm looking for trouble. And trouble...
The IRS claims you have underreported your seed income for 5 years.
Your Honor, seed transactions are difficult to track.
We have records of 17 bake sales.
Those were charitable events.
Charitable to whom?
So everyone wants to know, what's your secret to success?
Staying fly, staying humble, staying airborne. I love it. People think being a celebrity bird is easy, but every day I wake up...
Your Honor, I am seeking political asylum.
What are you fleeing?
The cruel regime of the window bird.
The window bird.
A dictator who controls the window perch.